Welcome to a journey into the heart of South America, to a land of breathtaking landscapes and resilient people. This is Venezuela, a nation of contrasts, where towering mountains meet pristine Caribbean coastlines, and a rich history intertwines with a complex present. Today, we'll explore the 5 chapters of Venezuela's story, from its geographical wonders to the spirit of its people who are navigating challenges with hope and determination. Let's begin with the land itself. Tucked away on the northern coast of South America, Venezuela is a country of incredible geographic diversity. Imagine a place where the majestic Andes Mountains reach for the sky, their peaks often dusted with snow. Then, picture the mighty Orinoco River, one of the longest in the continent, winding its way through vast plains known as the Llanos, teeming with wildlife. And we can't forget its stunning coastline, stretching over 2,800 kilometers along the sparkling Caribbean Sea, dotted with idyllic islands and sun-drenched beaches. The capital city, Caracas, is nestled in a valley, a bustling metropolis surrounded by green hills. To the west lies Maracaibo, the heart of the country's oil industry, situated on the shores of a vast lake. From the world's tallest waterfall, Angel Falls, hidden deep within the Amazon rainforest, to the unique tabletop mountains called Tepuy, Venezuela truly is a country of natural wonders. This diverse geography has not only shaped its ecosystems but also the very soul of its people and the course of its history. To understand modern Venezuela, we must travel back in time. For centuries, this land was home to various indigenous groups. The arrival of Spanish colonizers in the late 15th century marked a profound shift, initiating 3 centuries of rule. But the spirit of freedom was brewing. In the early 19th century, a movement for independence swept across the continent, and at its forefront was a Venezuelan visionary, Simón Bolívar, known as El Libertador or the Liberator. Bolívar's strategic genius and unwavering dedication led to a series of decisive victories against the Spanish Empire. On July 5, 1811, Venezuela declared its independence, a pivotal moment that would inspire liberation movements across South America. Bolívar's dream was of a united Gran Colombia, a federation of newly independent nations. Though this dream was short-lived, his legacy is etched into the very identity of the nation. Statues of Bolívar stand proudly in plazas across the country, a constant reminder of the fight for freedom and the enduring quest for self-determination that defines Venezuela's historical narrative. The soul of Venezuela truly comes alive in its vibrant culture and the warmth of its people. This is a nation that moves to a rhythm all its own. The national music and dance, the joropo with its lively harp, maracas and cuatro guitar, is a fiery expression of the country's llanero or cowboy heritage. But the cultural tapestry is woven from many threads. Indigenous traditions, African influences, and European heritage all blend together to create a unique and colorful mosaic. You can see it in the dazzling costumes of the dancing devils of Jaya Festival, and you can taste it in every bite of an arepa, the beloved cornmeal patty that's a staple on every Venezuelan table. Walking through a local market is an immersion of the senses, the scent of fresh coffee and cacao, the vibrant colors of tropical fruits, and the lively chatter of vendors and shoppers. The Venezuelan people, a mix of diverse ethnic backgrounds, are known for their hospitality and warmth. Despite the hardships they have faced, their love for family, community, and celebration remains a powerful and inspiring force. This rich and diverse culture is the heartbeat of the nation, a source of pride and resilience that continues to thrive. Venezuela's story is also deeply connected to the immense wealth lying beneath its soil. The nation sits on the world's largest proven oil reserves, a resource that has profoundly shaped its economy and its place on the global stage for over a century. The sight of oil rigs dotting the horizon of Lake Maracaibo became a symbol of national prosperity. This black gold fueled rapid modernization and development throughout the 20th century. But Venezuela's natural riches don't stop there. The country is also abundant in natural gas, gold, iron ore, and other valuable minerals. Beyond the extractive industries, its fertile lands yield high-quality agricultural products. Venezuelan cacao is considered among the best in the world, a key ingredient for gourmet chocolates. Its coffee, grown in the Andean highlands, is prized for its rich flavor. These resources have historically been the backbone of the economy, creating bustling markets and driving commerce. However, the heavy reliance on a single commodity, oil, has also presented significant challenges, creating economic vulnerabilities that have been tested time and again throughout its recent history. This brings us to the Venezuela of today, a nation at a crossroads, navigating a period of profound challenge while holding on to hope for the future. In recent years, the country has faced significant economic and social difficulties, leading many to seek opportunities elsewhere. Yet, amidst these struggles, a powerful story of resilience is unfolding. Venezuelans are demonstrating incredible strength and ingenuity, finding new ways to support their families and rebuild their communities. Small businesses are emerging, driven by a vibrant entrepreneurial spirit. Artists and musicians continue to create, expressing the complexities of their reality and the enduring beauty of their culture. And the world is beginning to rediscover Venezuela's immense potential, especially in tourism. From the untouched paradise of the Los Roques archipelago to the mystical landscapes of the Grand Sabana, the country's natural beauty remains a powerful draw. The people, with their unwavering spirit, are the true guardians of this beauty. They are rebuilding, innovating, and looking forward, proving that even in the face of turmoil, the Venezuelan spirit remains resilient and beautiful. Their story is not just one of crisis, but one of enduring hope and the unyielding human desire to create a better tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Venezuela. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from around our incredible world.